Think the 2026 Toyota Aygo X is cheap to own? The real cost over 5 years might surprise you. Fuel, maintenance, depreciation, it all adds up in ways most buyers don't expect. Welcome back to Supercar. Today we're breaking down the true 5-year cost of owning the 2026 Toyota Aygo X with real numbers, not marketing promises. If you want to know exactly where your money goes before you buy, this is a video you don't want to miss. Today we are tackling the newest challenger in the urban jungle, the 2026 Toyota Aygo X Hybrid. You see the sticker price, but that's just the cover charge. We are calculating the real 5-year total cost of ownership for this electrified city car, running it out to 50,000 miles, factoring in everything from fuel to that brutal final depreciation hit. Acquisition cost, the initial hybrid premium. The first hurdle in any TCO calculation is the entry point, and for the 2026 Aygo X, that entry point has climbed significantly thanks to that new 1.5-liter hybrid powertrain. Based on current pricing structures, the entry-level 1.5 hybrid Icon trim starts at an on-the-road price of £21,595 as of early 2026. If you're eyeing the sportier GR Sport model, you are looking at nearly £27,000, which suddenly puts it head-to-head with larger B-segment competitors. We will baseline our 5-year model on that £21,595 figure, remembering that this already includes mandatory delivery fees and plate allowances baked into that final RRP. Running costs, Factor 1. Fuel consumption projections. This is where the Aygo X begins to fight back against its higher purchase price. The predecessor struggled to hit 56 miles per gallon, but this new hybrid system promises up to 76.4 mpg on the optimistic WLTP cycle. Assuming a realistic mixed driving average of 70 miles per gallon over 50,000 miles, you'll need approximately 715 gallons of fuel. Using projected average UK fuel costs for 2026, which we estimate conservatively around £6.82 per gallon, your total 5-year fuel expenditure clocks in at approximately £4,872. That is a substantial saving compared to the previous petrol model. That difference in fuel cost alone, when stacked against the older 1.0-liter engine's likely 50 mpg performance, translates to saving roughly £1,600 just at the pump over 60 months. The hybrid component is clearly designed to mitigate high running costs, but we need to see if the service structure allows this economy to stick. Running costs, Factor 2. Maintenance and servicing estimates. Toyota offers an industry-leading 10-year warranty, but here's the critical catch: to maintain that cover, you must service the vehicle exclusively through an authorized Toyota dealer. This means paying dealer prices, not independent garage rates. Looking at current service data, expect an intermediate service to run around £150 to £200, while a major service approaches £300 to £350. Factoring in 5 years of required dealer servicing, we project a total maintenance budget of roughly £1,550, which accounts for oil changes, filter replacements, and the inevitable cost of wear items, like the hybrid system's specialized fluids and checks. While £1,550 seems low for 5 years of scheduled care, this figure doesn't account for major failures outside the warranty scope, though Toyota reliability suggests those will be minimal. However, remember that premium dealer servicing ensures you maximize that 10-year safety net, and avoiding one major repair covered by the warranty easily justifies the slight premium you pay at service time. Mandatory annual fees, insurance and vehicle excise duty, or VED. We've covered the fluctuating costs. Now we tackle the mandatory taxes and premiums you must pay, regardless of how often you drive the Aygo X. The 2026 hybrid Aygo X boasts extremely low CO2 emissions of 85 grams per kilometer. This places it in a low VED band, but crucially, the zero-rate tax ban for new cars is gone. We estimate the annual rate, inclusive of the 5-year new car supplement period, currently in effect, to be around £25 per year. Over 5 years, that's a fixed, unavoidable £125 hit. Insurance data suggests the average Toyota costs around £2,421 annually to insure fully comprehensively. Because the Aygo X is a small A-segment vehicle, generally considered low risk for insurance groups, we can knock that figure down slightly. We project an average premium of £1,950 per year. Multiplied by 5 years, this fixed cost amounts to £9,750, representing the single largest non-depreciation expense in this ownership period. The true cost variable. Depreciation. Over 60 months. If you want to save serious money, you must master depreciation. For most new cars, shedding 60% of value in 5 years is the accepted norm, but Toyota has a reputation for crushing that average. Kelly Blue. Book data consistently shows Toyota models boast some of the lowest 5-year total cost of ownership figures, primarily driven by superior resale value. We project that instead of losing 60% of its value, the Aygo X Hybrid will retain a strong 60% residual value after 5 years, meaning you only lose 40% of the initial investment. Applying that 40% loss factor to our starting price of £21,595 yields a total depreciation cost of £8,638 over 5 years. This means that after 5 years and 50,000 miles, you can reasonably expect to sell the 2026 Aygo X Hybrid for approximately £12,957. This retained equity is the true anchor for Toyota's TCO argument. The 5-year total cost of ownership verdict. It is time to sum up the ledger. We combine the purchase price, add the running costs, and subtract the amount you claw back at the end. Let's tally the expenditures for 50,000 miles. Depreciation loss, £8,638. Total fuel, £4,872. Total servicing and maintenance, £1,550. Total VED, or tax, £125. Total insurance, £9,750. Adding these core figures gives us a total expenditure of £24,935 over 5 years. Now, look closely at that final expenditure figure against the initial £21,595 sticker price. The net cost to own and run this car for 5 years, factoring in all costs minus what you get back, is remarkably low, hovering around £25,000. While rivals like the Hyundai i10 might have a lower sticker price, their depreciation profile is usually worse, potentially equating to a higher true net cost after 5 years. The 2026 Toyota Aygo X Hybrid demands a premium upfront, but its hybrid efficiency and legendary resale value combine to create one of the lowest total cost of ownership figures in the entire A-segment market. That, supercar viewers, is the real cost of ownership. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. With